Good morning, students. I am Abha, your English teacher. Hope you all are doing well at your home. As you all know that due to the DM's order, that due to the prevalent heat, right now you are at stay at home and your online classes are going from the SDPS family. So students, please be connected with us always and attend your online classes. Right now, we will start off standard 7 adjectives. So open up your book very fast and open the chapter right now. So students, the definition of the adjectives. What is adjective? The definition of the adjective is adjectives are describing word. Students, describing words means which describe. Describing verb means which describe any specific noun, the quality of the noun. So, adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun just like a person, place or thing. As you all know that noun is anything which be surrounded around us. वो कोई भी एक human being हो सकता है, वो कोई भी एक चीज हो सकती है बच्चा, या फिर कोई भी एनिमल हो सकता है. अंडरस्टूड? कोई भी एक मॉन्यूमेंट हो सकता है इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्लेसेस, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिटीज एटसेट्रा. सो एडजेक्टिव्स आर डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. दे डिस्क्राइब अ नाउन, अ पर्सन, अ प्लेस और अ थिंग. Adjectives gives information about the size, shape, age, color, origin or materials. That means the which type of noun that is. Big, fat, small, black, white. Any type of adjective that places. If I am talking about the Jaipur, that Jaipur is a pink city. So it is specified, it is described with the pink city or the city of lakes. So it is describing the noun. It is describing the word Jaipur. If I am talking about the definition, so an adjective is a part of a speech. That means after the noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb. If I am talking about the 8 parts of a speech, so adjective is the part of a speech which describe, identifies or quantifies a noun or a pronoun. Quantifies means, students, hope you understand the describe. Describe means the qualities. Identifies means how I identify, just like I am talking about a man. So man is, if I am talking about a man, तो man old भी हो सकता है बच्चे, man young भी हो सकता है ना, man fat भी हो सकता है. So identifies and quantifies. Quantifies means the number or the quantity. If I am say about the sugar, 1 kg of sugar, so it is the quantity. Noun or a pronoun. Example, he was wearing a blue shirt. So, which type of shirt? The person wear shirt is of the blue color. So, that means if I say he was wearing a shirt, so there is no specific quality. I am here speaking about the noun. But if I am saying he was wearing a blue shirt, so here I am describe the quality of the noun, describe the quality of the shirt. There are 7 rooms in the house. Here I am talking about the room. Here I am describing the room. So that's why I am giving a number here. Right now, there are neat rooms in the house. It is also a quality of the noun. So hope you understand. So students, one again I am repeating the definition of the adjective. An adjective is a part of a speech which describes, identifies or quantifies a noun or a pronoun. Example, you are written different type of examples in your book, your copy also. In the next slide, I am describing here kinds of adjective. How many kinds of adjective we have to study in the standard 7? So there are different kinds of adjective. These are adjective of quality, descriptive adjective, adjective of quantity. Descriptive adjective means, student, adjective of quality also. Maybe in your book, it is describing as an adjective of quality. So adjective of quality or descriptive adjective, adjective of quantity or number. That means if I am saying number, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, any number. And if I am asking about the quantity, so that means just like many, more, if I am said, then such, then demonstrative adjective, possessive adjectives, and the interrogative adjective. Everything which I am sharing here, a PPT, everything which I am sharing here as a slide, it is already mentioned into your book. So in my next slide, here it is descriptive adjective or the adjective of quality. The descriptive means if I am vast this sentence, if I am going to vast this particular word, so it means the quality, describe about the something. So these adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun, which type of noun it is. As previous I told you, if I am talking about the Jaipur, it is a pink city, it is the city of lake. If I am talking about the Patna, so it is a पॉपुलस सिटी. सो अगर मैं यहाँ पे बात कर रही हूँ पटना और मैंने यहाँ पे बोला पॉपुलस सिटी, तो दैट मीन्स ये एक पॉपुलेशन वाली सिटी है जहां पे ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन है. ठीक है. सो these adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristic, particularly characteristic of the noun, by answering the question what kind, किस तरह का वो है, which type of, what kind of. If I'm talking about a person, it is old, fat, honest, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, etc. Any type of particular person that is. Then if I'm talking about the New Delhi, it is a large city with many historical monuments. So large is the adjective which describe the city New Delhi. Understood? After that, Sheila is a beautiful woman. If I am said Sheila is a woman, it is a correct sentence. There is no error, there is no grammatical error in it. But if I said Sheila is a beautiful woman, then here I am describing Sheila more beautifully, more about that particular woman. So Sheila is a beautiful woman. Woman is a obvious a noun and beautiful a descriptive adjective. Beautiful is a adjective word, but if I am going to differentiate it in the kind, then beautiful is the descriptive adjective or the adjective of quality, because it enhances the quality of a woman. Understood? After that, in my next slide, adjective of quantity. These adjectives help us to show the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. In the adjective of number, we give the definite quantity, and in the adjective of quantity, we give the approximately amount, not the specific number, not the particular quantity of anything. So these adjectives help to show the amount or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. These adjectives do not provide exact number, as I already told you. Rather, they tell us the amount of the noun in relative all the whole term. See it with examples. All, half. If I'm saying half kg of milk, half kg of water, a glass full of water. So many, few toffees. And if I am saying 9 toffees I am provided you, then it is adjective of number. If I am saying I am providing you few toffees, then it is the adjective of quantity. Little, no, enough, great, and lots of many more words. After that, they have finished most of the rice. It is the example, they have finished most of the rice. So how we count the quantity of rice? Rice is an uncountable noun. How we count the quantity of rice? So we said here most. After that, in this example, many people came to visit the fair. If I said students, people came to visit the fair. लोग मेला देखने के लिए आ रहे हैं. और if I say many people came to visit the fair, बहुत सारे लोग मेला देखने के लिए आ रहे हैं. Here I can also say few people came to visit the fair. So it will also be a correct sentence. In my next slide, adjective of number. These adjectives are used to show the number of nouns and their place in an order. There are three different sections within adjective of number. That means if I am say 1 to 100, 1 to 1000, any specific number, it is counted in the adjective of number. Definite numeral, indefinite numeral, and distributive numeral. So there are three kinds, there are three differentiation between also the adjective of number. The first one is the definite numeral. Definite numeral means where I provided you a definite number, okay, of any noun or any pronoun, just like those which clearly denote an exact number of nouns or the order of the noun. That means 1, 2, 20, 33, any other number, etc., also known as the cardinal number. First, second, third, seventh, also known as the ordinal numbers. That means you got first rank in your class, so it is also a perfect number. It is also a specified number which show the quality of your rank, which show the quality of your position in the class. If I give an example, you got a rank in the class, and if I am going to say you got second rank in the class, so that means here I specified that your rank in the class is second. And one more, indefinite numeral, those adjectives that do not give an exact numerical amount but just give a general idea of the amount. That means some, many. बच्चे जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, थोड़ा, मुझे थोड़ा चावल दे दो अगर आप घर पे खाना खा रहे हैं, मुझे कुछ रोटी दे दो, मुझे भी बिस्किट दे दो, आप अपने फ्रेंड से मांग रहे हैं. और वहीं इफ यू आर सेइंग मुझे 2 बिस्किट दे दो, और अगर आपने कहा मुझे भी कुछ बिस्किट दे दो, तो देयर आर डिफरेंस, definite and the indefinite. Agar you tell there the exact number, that is definite, and if you don't give any type of definite number there, thoda kuch, आधा गिलास अगर आपने दूध बोला, that is a definite number. अगर आपने बोला मुझे थोड़ा दूध दे दो, तो that is indefinite number. So there were many people present at the meeting. If I am change this sentence just like this, there are 25 people present at the meeting. So this is the example of the definite numeral adjective. And if I am saying there are many people present at the meeting, so this is the example of the indefinite numeral. Okay. After that, the next is the distributive numeral adjective. Those adjectives that are used to refer to individual noun within the whole amount, either, neither, each, another, other. अब वो adjectives जो कि किसी individual noun को पूरी तरह से whole amount में पूरी तरह से उसको वहां पे explain करते हैं, that is the distributive numeral adjective. Just here is an example. Taxes have to be paid by every employed. Every employed means each and every particular citizen of the country. ठीक है, प्रत्येक. तो दैट मीन्स कि टैक्स जो है वो सारे एम्प्लॉयड जो भी सिटीजन है इस कंट्री के, एम्प्लॉयड सिटीजन, उनको पे करना है. दैट्स व्हाई हियर आई यूज एवरी. हियर वी कैन यूज ईच ऑल्सो. ओके, so students, once again recall the kinds of adjectives. The first one is the adjective of quality or the descriptive. That means describing the noun or the pronoun. After that, adjective of quantity or number. That means the particular, the specific number, the specific quantity. After descriptive, there are different examples. Honest, kind, large, bulky. New Delhi is a large city. Then in the adjective of quantity, there are little, more, enough, few, many, great. And in the adjective of number, definite, indefinite, and distributive. So today we explain 3 kinds of adjective in this session, in this online class. In your book, these kind of adjectives, the definition of these kinds of adjectives are already provided. And after this class, today I am providing you the some examples of some exercises of this. Okay, so you have to done it at your home. So students, be safe at your home. Take lots of water at your home. Be healthy and wait for your next class. Thank you.